What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mitch with BMORETALKS, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make two different stick and poke devices, and this is going to be part two. So let me go ahead and get everything out, get set up, and we'll get at it. So what you'll need is a set of chopsticks, sterile tattoo needle, or it could be a liner, it could be a shader, whichever one you decide to use. And then you're going to need some tattoo grip tape. You can get this stuff pretty much everywhere. You can get it on eBay, you can get it on Amazon, you can go at painfulpleasures.com. They have a bunch of this stuff and it's really cheap. If I find a link, I'll go ahead and I'll put it in the description below. What you guys are going to do is take your chopstick, you're going to take your tattoo needle, so now what you guys are going to do is take your chopstick and your tattoo needle, place your tattoo needle at the very end. I leave probably about that much out. Then you'll take your tattoo grip tape and you're going to wrap it. Try not to stab yourself. Now what I will do is after I get it wrapped on there, secured, I will make this a little bit bigger just to make it comfortable. You know what I mean? So wrap it up a couple more times. That's it. That's stick and poke device number one. Now for device number two, the things you're going to need is a sewing needle, some thread, a lighter, some electrical tape, and a pencil with an eraser. Now what you're going to do is take your pencil and take your sewing needle and put it in between the casing and the eraser. You can go about this far if need be, but if you need to go down deeper, you can. This is where I set mine at though. Take some thread and start wrapping it around the needle all the way down to the casing of the pencil. After you're done wrapping your thread onto your needle and onto your pencil, you're going to space it down probably about that much. Alright, then you're going to take some electrical tape and hold your thread down and wrap it around the end of the pencil like so. And then finally, you're going to need your lighter. The purpose behind the lighter is to sterilize the end of the needle. Alright, this is the way that I was taught how to do it. You guys might know different ways to do it, but this is the way I was taught. You simply just light your lighter, take your stick and poke device, and just heat the very end of it. Don't heat the thread or anything like that, just the very end of it. That's all. And there you go. It's sterile. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that I've been slacking, so I figured I'd come out with another video. I'm going to try to stay consistent, but as always, hit the like button, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.